Alright guys, welcome back. Been a while since a stream, although just going with it, to be honest, that's all. Currently bullish, just waiting, to be honest, to see what this gives for the open. Now I can easily see buys up here. Thing is the conditions, as you can see, it's not amazing right now. But the thing is, currently I'd probably want to see them sweep these lows, and potentially we could see them bring it into this order block, see if they can bring it higher from there. So I want to mark out this order block right here. And if they do have opposing liquidity of this order block here in the seconds time frame, I don't mind looking for a buy opportunity, getting the short-term low for this range made. Otherwise I think they'll bring it below these equal lows and below this low, and then could see it rebalance this area or potentially just come to these lows. Let's see. So I do want to get my RTH ready on this as well. This high is really interesting as well because it's like one of those random, just pump highs, you get me? So they'll want to bring it back there as well, definitely. This is a rejection block in the 5 minute. This whole wick, because it's got liquidity right here, and in the 1 minute as well, I guess, but yeah. And right now this is just a consolidation, I'll be real, it's not really worth trading it. I honestly low risk the order block below the first SD, just the busy area of it, just because it aligns with the 15-minute wick idea that I'd want. So we have accumulation manipulation, we should get distribution higher, although my stop would be still quite big. So 2 micros will be what I'd forward right here, just because the 15-minute is in alignment with it. But if they, I'll see actually, just quickly few charts right here. This is what I'm looking at, because in the 15-minute we respected this order block. We literally wicked away from it. We did not close body-wise below. Well, I guess in the M and Q is different. Sorry, in the Nasdaq it's different. Yeah, so we did it really close. Okay, so opening price now, I guess. So I'd want to see it just kind of hold these wicks, pretty much is what I'm saying. It's a wick kind of idea. See what the RTH is as well, which is below. Okay. So we did just grab that sell side right there.
Order filled.
Okay, just want to see if we can grab the buy side above. Maybe with this wick idea here as well. So that constant encouragement of the 15-minute wick was nicely in line with the H4 dealing range as well. So that would have been a much better entry as well. you need to come above this high, and then I'd want to see it keep accelerating higher. Then I know it would come to these highs very easily, because then we have a 30-second to 1 minute alignment, pretty much. So it needs to really just come above this high up here. There you go. Now we got that 1 minute alignment. Then we want to see if it comes to this wick and is insensitive to it, or if we can make a busy here, which is first presented, ideal. Jitters up. I'm gonna take
Order
one off
filled.
there, because the condition on this trade is really terrible. I want to see if we can just try and get 1 micro up here. I will probably add back on if it gives me some sort of reason to add more risk on, but right now this trade I'd say is B+. The idea in itself was A-, but the idea in itself is just, it's not showing its hand to me, so I'd probably rate this B+. If we get like a busy here above this area here before first presented, I'll trust that as a gap to buy in up and up to this area. Try my stop to this low as well. Like RTH gap is filled anyways, so yeah, first. And it's also wicking in the RTH low, so it should really be discount sensitive higher. I like these two equal highs up here. Might just sweep them, but yeah, I want to see it just rush past it, used as a reason to go higher, I guess. There you go. Okay, I like this a lot now. Like decently. But we need some sort of signature. Let's need a signature, and I'd probably add that risk back on. Oh, there it is. That's what I'm saying. That's why I said I like this a lot. The signature will probably be the busy at this point. You can make a CSD right here. got break even at these highs. Got break even there. If we can get a 15-minute close above this as well, that'd be ideal. Okay, that was really strong reaction, that was. Alright, about a 15-minute alignment for trend lines above. This can continue, that would be the ideal thing to happen. Bruh, what the fuck is that? I'll get one more in here. It's basically it's the first presented. VG. And I get my risk to this low right here. I think 2 here would be ideal. That'd be 4, 8, 80, 20, so 3. Yep.
Order filled.
Okay, that's in. There's a bit too
Order
much risk
filled.
on this. I'll take some off right there. Don't worry. So, yep. Take about one more off here. Yep, yeah, pretty much at that high. I'll just try and hold this to see where it goes. Nice, good reaction there.
Order filled.
Okay. Yeah, we're literally approaching that trend line like nicely. Yep. Oh, that wick as well on H4, crazy. H1, I think the H1 high would be an ideal other partial up there as well. Which is right, yeah. Try and just grab one more there. Yeah, a little bit more than, I'm gonna go break even here. Don't see too much of a reaction here. Ah shit, really? Let me see this hold then, I guess. That would have been an optimal trade entry, but Monday I'm not really looking to get into too much action. Okay. Need to really rush there now. First, second. Check if that 1 minute is in there as well. Okay, so I'm gonna trail my stop likely. If we have to come above this high, and I'm gonna trail my stop under the low. There you go. Expect expansion now. Okay, we're back inside the H1 wick. Okay, I'm just gonna get a partial off there.
Order filled.
Okay, now I'm holding to this target up here. Go back break even. I don't care about this anymore. Try and hold this runner till where the market maker. I'll try and hold it till London high actually. Yeah, because you can see it just reacting to that rejection block. London high is up here. Yeah, you can see that reaction. I don't like that much, but we did hit this order block, came back up. That's fine. Made minor buy side here, so we might come for that later. Although I'd probably call it a day after this trade. So we've hit the order block properly now. The bodies are above it. Hopefully we can close above it. Come into that volume imbalance, starting to react a little bit off it. Don't want to really see that. See if we can just grab these highs up here. 30-second here, it's really equal up there. The 15-minute, we need to get a close above the CISD, man. Then I'm holding that shit till London high. I know I am. Just invert that 30-second civvy in a very aggressive way, like not aggressive, but ideal way to see it inverted. Okay, this is like a trend line formation here. Try and get this off at London high as well. Once this H1 high is gone, market structure would be looking to align for bullish price action, so I don't. So it would be ideal, like if you caught a buy below, it would be ideal to hold it. Pretty much immediate rebalance expectant right there, I guess, or not. Good. See, it's very resistant to the H1 high. Okay, this busy here, 30 second. We do have 1 minute alignment for that 30-second inversion, so it's quite good. So we really should just see this kind of use it and go higher. And it doesn't do that, that's cool. This probably might be a break even, I'll be real, that's fine. Break even on this tape and call it a day. My break even in my broker, it's a lot lower, but still probably call it a day if it hits it. So I'll probably close it on both, I don't mind. Okay, just reacted off that wick, which was also I think first presented. Where was it? Where is it? Oh, this is looking good. This is looking quite decent now. Or it's just chop and it's tricking me. But if we've got 5 minutes left of that 15-minute candle, if it closes above this would be quite ideal. And I like how, I mean, even though the bodies are coming below this, it's somewhat closing more above the 15-minute CISD. So we'll see on that one as well. We have such play at trend line here as well. Yeah, look, we're aligning. Might reverse low. That's fine, no problem. Because the partials pay in the end, so once this hits, honestly, this won't be off the charts. Okay. Yeah, that's gonna hit that break even, I think. There you go.
Order filled.
200 locked in, I'll call it a day. Right. Yep. Oh, that was quite a quick one. On the combine. Originally bought here. Took some off because it was very lethargic. Consolidation price action. Then it made the first presented, added it back in on the 50% retracement, even though minor buy side was already taken. I took some off again because I added too much on backstop, and then afterwards sold the real partials up here, and eventually hit break even on good.